Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. First, center the printhead carriage and remove the screws from the cover to gain access. Remove the cover. Disconnect all the cables. Close the clamp of the damper to be replaced to prevent ink leakage. Remove the old damper, detach the tube, and connect the new damper to the tube. Open the clamp to allow ink flow again. Extract air from the damper to ensure it works properly. Then, reposition the damper in place. Dispose of the ink extracted during the process. After replacing the damper, it is essential to check for leaks in the connection over the next 2 days. Reconnect the data cables. Finally, place the printhead carriage cover back and screw it in place.